computer network architect. What they do. Computer network architects design and build data communication networks, including local area networks, wide area networks, and intranets. These networks range from small connections between two offices to next-generation networking capabilities, such as a cloud infrastructure that serves multiple customers. Network architects must have extensive knowledge of an organization's business plan to design a network to help it achieve its goals. Duties. Computer network architects typically do the following: create plans and layouts for data communication networks, present plans to management and explain why they are in the organization's best interest to pursue them, consider information security when designing networks, upgrade hardware, such as routers or adapters, and software, such as network drivers, as needed to support computer networks. Research new networking technologies to determine what would best support their organization in the future. Computer network architects, or network engineers, design and deploy computer and information networks. After deployment, they also may manage the networks and troubleshoot any issues as they arise. Network architects also predict future network needs by analyzing current data traffic and estimating how growth will affect the network. Some computer network architects work with other IT workers, such as network and computer system administrators and computer and information systems managers, to ensure workers' and clients' networking needs are being met. They also must work with equipment and software vendors to manage upgrades and support the networks. Work environment. Computer network architects held about 165,200 jobs in 2020. The largest employers of computer network architects were as follows. Computer systems design and related services account for 27%. Telecommunications account for 10%. Management of companies and enterprises account for 8%. Insurance carriers and related activities account for 4%, and educational services, state, local, and private account for 4%. Computer network architects spend most of their time in offices, but occasionally work in server rooms where they have access to the hardware that makes up an organization's computer and information network. Work schedules. Most computer network architects work full-time. Some work more than 40 hours per week. How to become one. Most computer network architects have a bachelor's degree in a computer-related field and experience in a related occupation, such as network and computer systems administrators. Education. Computer network architects usually need a bachelor's degree in computer science, information systems, engineering, or a related field. Degree programs in a computer-related field give prospective network architects hands-on experience in network security or database design classes. These programs prepare network architects to work with a vast array of technologies used in networks. Employers of network architects sometimes prefer applicants to have a Master of Business Administration in Information Systems. MBA programs generally require 2 years of study beyond the undergraduate level and include business and computer-related courses. Work experience in a related occupation. Network architects generally need at least 5 to 10 years of experience working with information technology systems. They often have experience as network and computer system administrators and may come from other computer-related occupations such as database administrator or computer systems analyst. Advancement. Some network architects advance to become computer and information systems managers. Important qualities: analytical skills, detail-oriented, interpersonal skills. leadership skills, and organizational skills. Pay. The median annual wage for computer network architects was $116,780 in May 2020. The median wage is when half the workers in an occupation earned more than that amount and half earned less. The lowest 10% earned less than $67,190, and the highest 10% earned more than $175,570. In May 2020, the median annual wages for computer network architects in the top industries in which they worked were as follows: insurance carriers and related activities $121,730, computer systems design and related services $120,130, management of companies and enterprises $116,130, telecommunications $114,810, and educational services, state, local, and private $84,570. Most computer network architects work full-time. Some work more than 40 hours per week. Job outlook. The employment of computer network architects is projected to grow 5% from 2020 to 2030, slower than the average for all occupations. Despite limited employment growth, about 11,000 openings for computer network architects are projected each year, on average, over the decade. Most of those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who transfer to different occupations or exit the labor force, such as retire. Employment. As firms design and build new information technology networks and upgrade existing ones, demand for computer network architects will grow. The expansion of healthcare information technology will also contribute to employment growth. The adoption of cloud computing, which allows users to access storage, software, and other computer services online, is likely to dampen the demand for computer network architects. Organizations will no longer have to design and build networks in-house. Instead, firms that provide cloud services will offer network resources. Smaller firms with minimal IT requirements will find it more cost-effective to contract services from cloud service providers. However, because computer network architects at cloud providers can work on more than one organization's network, these providers will not have to employ as many computer network architects as individual organizations do.